Hello everyone, welcome to Chem Power. Today we'll be discussing two questions of organometallic chemistry. So, before we discuss these two questions, you need to know the foundation of these two questions, okay? The foundation of these two questions comes from the bonding schematic and metal carbonyls. If you wish to know about these two topics in detail, please go to the description where I have put it the links of these two videos. Okay. Anyway, so you must have already observed the similarity between these two reactants. Okay, these are bimetallic carbonyls, right? Because they have two metals and they also have carbonyl ligand as the organometallic ligand. Fine. So the next question is how to address this problem. You see, the one reactant is bimetallic carbonyl and the other reactant is covalently single bonded. Just I will write covalently single bonded non-metals. Okay, so non-metals, which we can write in a form of X2, like hydrogen H2, H single bond H, right? Bromine Br2, this is Br single bond Br. This reaction can also happen with iodine, okay? I single bond I. So what we need to do is, once you know the bonding schematic of these two metal carbonyls, you would have to write them in the open form, right? Like this one I will write like CO whole 5 Mn single bond MnCO whole 5. This you must have known from the bonding schematic topic, right? Okay, fine. Similarly, this one we can write like CO whole 4 cobalt, once again CO cobalt with carbonyl CO whole 4. Now, if I write bromine, let's say this is bromine Br single bond Br, and you can also write hydrogen H2 like H single bond H. Okay, what you need to do is, it's very simple. Okay, you just need to put a line here. Your left side will be a product, your right side will be another product. Okay, so if I take these two combination, like in this question, what will our product be? Our product will be CO whole 5 Mn Br. On the right hand side, it's once again Br Mn CO whole 5, which are basically the same. So you can write, we will have two molecules of Mn CO whole 5 Br. You can also check this answer with the help of 18 electron rule. You see, these have 7 electrons. This is 2 multiplied by 5, that is equals to 10 electrons. This is 1 electron contributor, so that makes a 7 plus 10 plus 1 to be 18 electron. Okay. Similarly, for the cobalt case, if you take these two combinations, you will find the product to be CO whole 4 cobalt CO H. Isn't that okay? So you will find two molecules of this, because on the left hand side you will find one, on the right hand side you will find one. Okay, so this was the answer of this question. If you liked, please like the video and do subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you very much.